What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are here. It's Johnny Hollywood and myself in La 70. Metro station's right there, Estadio Metro Station. So check it out, check it out. This is the party district, more for the local experience, not so much for the Poblado or whatever with all the foreigners and everything. So this is a different vibe. So check it out, check it out, check it out. So this is a Monday night. This is a Monday night in December. That's why there's more movement. People here on vacation, enjoying the destination. And all the vendors, street vendors here selling their souvenirs for people. Beautiful women all over the place. I love women. Johnny loves women more than I do. But no, really, we both love women a lot. Absolutely. What do you think about Paisa women? Beautiful or not? Lovely, right? All right. 100%? Cool. Excellent. Wow. People are just chilling. One of the things, if you come in December, is the chivas. You can get chivas, hire them with a group of people to ride and all of that and have fun. Those are the typical chivas, and they're playing music, the typical salsa, merengue, vallenatos from Colombia, cumbias, porros, and everything. Guys, if you're liking this video, what I'm showing you so far, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. It's free. Leave comments and share with people on your social media networks. This is Medellín La 70. This is La 70, and a lot of cheap food around here, burgers and everything, combos, sweets, a lot of Colombian sweets here and little stuff. A lot. Bars, nightclubs, everything. And this is Christmas time. In the previous video, you saw Caña Brava. That's Caña Brava lit up tonight. You get to hear all kinds of music, vallenatos, merengue, porros, cumbia, all the typical stuff of Colombia here on La 70. All the way from the metro station, Estadio Metro Station on Line B, all the way down that way towards Universidad Pontificia Bolivariana, the university, UPB University, all the way down past San Juan Ave. So this is a place. Now here's just a little calmer, more relaxed, but then you got more bars and places and nightclubs along the way, and restaurants, eateries, everything. People are just chilling, and this is safe. For you to get robbed around here, you gotta be plumb out of luck. Plumb out of luck. That means unlucky. Or giving papaya, meaning exposing yourself by showing that you got a lot of money, or showing an expensive phone or something, or wearing some jewelry that you shouldn't be wearing, or a gold watch. But if you're not doing those stupid things, you'll be safe. And don't dress like a gringo. Don't dress like a foreigner in shorts and sandals and flip-flops, because that way you are a dead giveaway. And be careful with motorcyclists. Be careful, because pedestrians don't have the right of way, even though they do have the right of way. Now, if you like just vallenato music, you go to cacique. Cacique is an old word here in Colombia, meaning like the king of an area in terms of the native people. Cacique. And they play good vallenato music there. You can probably hear from far away a little bit. That's cacique. And then whatever, and then more. This is San Juan Avenue we're coming up on. So this is San Juan Avenue. That's Éxito right there. San Juan goes all the way up to La América. And you go down this all the way to downtown Medellín, to where the edificio Parque de las Luces is, and El Hueco and everything. So let me give you an example. People are going there. They're going, they're dancing. They're having fun. They rent it out, and they enjoy life on the Chiva, y'all. So I'm showing you another area here. A lot of food stands on the street. You want to buy all kinds of fast food. Here you get it. Greasy and sleazy. And then La Jugosa, they sell juices and fruit salads and some ice cream stuff and everything. So if you want something cool, La Jugosa. I've eaten here like twice. It's good. Not at this one, but it's a chain. And then we got La Fonda, La Chismosa across the street. A good place if you're here in La 70 to enjoy typical Colombian music. You're not going to hear any Spanish rock. I mean English rock or hip hop in English. Everything in Spanish, and you got a Chapulín del Colorado over there.
If you're hungry, you got the tacos.
Tacos. Or this one for vallenatos. Oye bonita, ven a mi vida, because Oye bonita's hey honey. Hey, beautiful. That's the name of this place. But right now it's early, so don't think it's a bad place. The university is 2 blocks over there, so there's nothing really happening over there. But you come here and you got all these other places, this other little fonda, otra fonda aquí, and all that. So, John, what do you think about this, Johnny boy, so far, about what we've seen here at nighttime?
Marvelous.
Marvelous?
A lot of people. It's early right now. It's safe. It's live. We're live.
Live! And it's early. Imagine later. And this is none of the typical little places. This was called La Tienda. And you told me that you saw one in Miami. Look, the girls are even happy dancing over there, waiting for their food, and they're already dancing. This is called La Tienda. And they have one in Miami. You told me you saw this one in Miami?
Yes, in downtown Miami.
Hialeah. Right now, because it's Monday night, but this place is alive and pumping on a Thursday, Friday, or Saturday night after 9 p.m. Right now it's only like 8 because we decided to come here and check it out. This is one of the typical plans people do, a little plan, a little outing. There goes Roberto Bolaños Gomez, El Chavo. I mean, when I was in Mexico, I told you guys that Colombia is much cheaper to visit than Mexico for tourists, especially on a shoestring budget. Look, a hot dog for 2,000 pesos. That's 50 cents for a hot dog. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. And go, oh, what is it? Beyond Brian, the Texan that lived here in Medellín for a couple of months this year, in 2021, he loved it. And he loved the fact that he could get cheap beer at one of these little bars, little mom and pop shops on the 70, and could get cheap food, whatever he liked, and it didn't cost him much. And I'm telling you that too, guys. You can come and enjoy it here on La 70. And guys, maybe I wasn't clear, but there are many hotels here along the Ave, all along La 70, all the way from the metro down to here that are cheap. All you got to do is just talk to a couple and see which one is best for you, and they have them show you the room, and that's it. This is not as expensive as Poblado, cheaper. So guys, I'm going to be wrapping it up soon. I'm just showing you a little more of the nightlife on a Monday night, December. So okay guys, it's wrap up time. Johnny Cadillac, he's got many names he goes by, and myself, we're going to say goodbye for now. Make sure you gave it a like. And your last impressions, good?
Yeah, I had a good time. It's early, but good.
Good. All right. So, guys, stay tuned for more stuff. Colombia's happening, especially Medellín. Gracias, hermano. Medellín, Envigado, all of this, Sabaneta. Stay tuned for more stuff in 2021 and beyond. Buzz Lightyear and beyond. Infinity and beyond. Well, I'm not Buzz Lightyear. I'm Eddie Lightyear.